Miniature Landscape Hobbies is proudly supported by these sponsors. You've probably heard by now, but in case you haven't, Battlefront just launched a Flames of War supplement for the mid-war Pacific. This great book is packed with awesome new units for playing games in this exciting theater from World War II. As you would expect as well, the models are fantastic. But this isn't what we're concerned with in this video. What we're interested in is the terrain for the Pacific Front environment. And fortunately, Battlefront has us covered here too. You see, when they released the forces for the Pacific, they also launched an awesome new line of terrain, mainly jungle, which is perfect to go with the new supplement. I was also fortunate because they sent me the new terrain for review. Specifically, the jungle palms, the huts, the jungle pond, rice paddies, and the jungle bushes. These sets are all great and would be a welcome addition to any game table. And like the other Battlefield in the Box terrain pieces, these are ready to go pretty much straight out of the box. But this is Miniature Landscape Hobbies you're watching, so that means that I'm going to go a step further and show you what can be achieved by heaping some miniature building artistry onto these kits. Well, the jungle kits anyways, as I'm saving the huts for a future project. Now, I'm not saying that you have to go the extra mile to enhance these products in order to enjoy them, but a little extra work can really take these models from a wargaming prop to a piece of diorama quality art. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate my approach for souping these great jungle terrain pieces up. I don't necessarily expect all my viewers to do the same, but if the techniques I show pique your interest, then maybe you'll want to try them out on your own Battlefield in a Box products. Okay, that's enough talk. Let's get down to work. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and consider joining my Patreon for awesome deals and perks. Or consider picking up the fantastic terrain models I featured in this video at the miniature market link in my video description. This will help support my channel, which is really appreciated. See you next time for more miniature gaming, painting, and diorama videos. But most importantly, until then, remember to keep building life in miniature.